Good day guys, welcome again to my channel, and for this video I'll teach you how to play the song of Sir Niall. The title of the song is Put a Little Love on Me. There are piano notes at the first verse, but this time we'll play it with a plucking patterns. Okay, let's start guys with the strumming pattern. This is the strumming pattern guys, follow me. I'll play it first. Down and down and down, down. Okay, down, 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 down. Down, down, down. Okay, down, 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 down. Okay, down, 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 down. That's all for the strumming pattern guys. Let's proceed for the plucking patterns. So originally guys, these are piano notes, but this time we'll play it with a plucking patterns. Play it first. Please follow me guys. The first chord is B flat. Okay, then we'll pluck, the first note is we'll pluck the fifth string with or together with the second and the third string, like this. Okay, pluck fifth, third and second string. This is the first note. Okay, then the second note is we'll pluck the third string. Okay, pluck 3, number 3, third string. Okay, pluck 3. Okay, the B flat, for the B flat, pluck 3. Then the next notes are pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, pluck 3. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, that's for the B flat. Then the second chord is the D minor with the same plucking patterns, but this time we will use the D bass. Okay, we'll change the bass note. Okay, like this with the same plucking patterns. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Let's play it from the beginning. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, this is for the D minor. Pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, then the next chord is the G minor. We will move our middle finger at the third fret. Okay, here, then at the third fret. Okay, then this time the bass note is the G bass. Okay, with the same plucking patterns. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, let's start from the beginning guys. Pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Then D minor, D bass, pluck 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then move our middle finger at the third fret with a bass, G bass, pluck. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3. Then the next chord is the F with the same plucking patterns, but this time we'll use the F bass note. Okay, pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Then pluck 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, F. Okay, and then guys, for the second line, we'll change the D minor chord with this chord. I'll show and play it first. This is for the second line at the first verse. Okay, Then the next chord is we will remove our index finger, then we will use the bass, the A bass note. Okay, this is for the second line at the first burst. Okay, for the second line. Okay, with the same plucking patterns, but this time we'll use the A bass. Okay, then G minor, again G minor, then F. Okay, I'll play the full first burst. Okay, first line. This is for the first line, guys. Then for the second line, okay, we'll change the D minor chord with this chord. I don't know what is the exact name of this chord, but this time we will use the bass, the A bass. Okay, for the second line, G minor, F. That's all, guys. Follow me, let's play the full song. We fight, we get that. Na na na. Where to go?